Java terminology. That is, what is Java development kit? I have already told that JDK, that is the Java development kit. It contains one or more JREs along with various versions, development tools like Java source compiler, bundling and deployment tools, debuggers, development libraries, etc. Java development kit contains JRE along with various JRE means Java runtime environment, which we will talk about later. It contains lots of things, that is JRE, and then Java source compiler, bundling and development tools, debuggers, development library, etc. Java virtual machine, JVM, which has lots of roles in the Java. An abstract machine architecture is specified by the Java virtual machine specification. It interprets the bytecodes into the machine dependent upon the underlying OS and hardware combination. It means that we have already told that Java is a platform independent, which means that there is a main roles of JVM, which converts the Java programming language, that is the bytecode Java programming language, which is converted into the bytecodes. Then JVM is used to interpret that bytecodes into the machine dependent code, so that it will run on the everywhere. JVM is a platform dependent. It uses the class library and other supporting files provided in the JRE, that is the Java runtime environment. Okay, JVM is a platform dependent, which means that first of all we learn about this in the Java architecture. This is a Java program which will be converted into the bytecode. It's converted into the bytecode, and then that bytecode is interpreted by the JVM, so that it is a platform dependent, which means that it uses a class libraries and other supporting files for that are provided in the JRE of that OS. Java runtime environment. I have already told you about the Java runtime environment, or runtime environment which implements Java virtual machine and provides all the class libraries and other facilities necessary to execute a Java program. This is the software on your systems that it actually runs Java program. Java runtime environment means that is the environment which will interpret or implement the Java virtual machine and provides all the class libraries and other facilities necessary to execute a Java programming language. Okay. JRE means Java runtime environment, JVM plus Java packages class like utils, math, language, AWT, swing, etc. plus runtime libraries. Means Java runtime environment is the collection of JVM, Java class libraries, and then runtime libraries.